Good evening all. This is take two. This is a three-phase motor that I'm going to control with this Adafruit card over here. It's a motor shield. And people have told me you can't possibly control a three-phase motor with the Adafruit motor shield card because it's designed to handle all sorts of four-phase type stepper motors and stuff. And well, it didn't take me more than about 15 minutes to think about it, to confuse it into actually controlling this motor. This motor has one phase controlling these two coils, the next phase for these two coils, and the last phase for these coils. So their opposite coils are all in the same winding at this point. I'm dropping in a little rotor that has some magnets on the back of it. And the magnets, if I drop it in correctly, will start taking off and running. And of course it's taking and doing the 30 degrees per step that I wanted it to do. If I shield it a little bit you can see the arrow better. It's doing 30 degrees per step, and it waits a second between steps. Now this was accomplished by connecting it as if it was a four-phase motor in unipole mode and leaving one of the windings off. And if you, in software, I'll swing the camera over to look at the computer. If you do that in the loop control for the stepper test, it winds up taking one step, then another step, and then two quick steps. And then it gives the appearance that it's actually taking sort of three steps on a three-step motor, because you step very quickly past the one winding that isn't being used in this three-phase motor, and the library thinks it's controlling a four-phase motor. So there's an example of how to control a three-phase motor with the Adafruit library without having to do too much work. Of course, if you need to do a bipolar three-phase motor, the board actually has on it 4 H bridges. If you craftily use 3 of them, you can actually control a biphase motor that is 3 phases. So there you have it, an example of 3-phase control with the Adafruit motor shield. Enjoy.